Welcome to another section of this course. So in this video, we're going to design a mobile application. It is called Wendy Loans. It's a loan app. Okay. So we're going to start with the launch page. We're going to start from the launch page to the confirmation page as well. All right. So Wendy Loan is a loan application whereby people can come in, download the app, and then get a loan, apply for a loan. All right, so this is the launch page. Then here is the welcome page. We have the sign up page. We have about 5 sign up pages. All right, and then we have 3 sign in pages here. Okay, so we all know how it goes. This is your sign up page. This is you. Once you click on the sign up, and then it brings you here. This is you trying to input your phone number and OTP that will be sent to that phone number. So this is you typing your phone number, and this is you awaiting the OTP that was sent to your phone number, and here is it you're done typing your contact and the OTP that was sent. So this is it. Once you click on register, it takes you to pin page where you can create a pin. All right. So once you're done creating your pin, whenever you want to, once you close this app and then you want to open it and sign in again, you can easily go to your sign in page and then input your phone number and the password. All right. Then we have the terms and condition pages. All right, we have about 5 of them. Also, here is our home page. Okay, once you're done with the registration, and once you agree to the terms and conditions, it brings you to the home page where you can be able to apply for a loan. So once you click on your get now, it takes you to the identification information page. All right, we have the identity, basic information, contact, and loan. All right, so once you're done filling up this, all right, once you're done filling up this, you can be able to apply for a loan. So it takes you to this page. This is your loan processing page. All right, once they are done processing your loans, it takes you to the loan approval page. All right, so this is where they will tell you the amount you are eligible to apply for. So if you're okay with this amount, you can click on submit, and here we have the review page. So this is where your loan is being reviewed. All right, your informations, everything. Once you click on the submit, wait for them to review your informations and see if you are qualified for the loan. Once you are, take you to the confirmation page. All right, your loan has been successfully approved. All right, and then you're good to go. So we're going to design these pages. It's just 33 pages. Yeah, just 33 pages. So we're going to design this from A to Z. All right, guys, see you in our next class. Bye. Okay, guys, welcome to another section of this course. So we're going to design our launch screen and also the welcome page screen as well. All right, so let's get our frame, and then we're making use of the iPhone 10 mini that goes with 375 by 812. Okay, so this is it. I've already highlighted the color I will be making use of. All right, so I'm going to fill up my artboard. Going to give it a fill. Okay, so I'm making use of a linear gradient. Right, so I want this color, like we said, this one I want to be making use of this color here. So I'll just make use of my color picker and get this color. Okay, and then for the second part, yeah, and yeah, all right, so I'm gonna drag this to this side, gonna drag this to this side this way, and then bring this one here. Yeah, All right, this is good. Okay, so for the logo, just going to type the W, right, and then going to increase the size by 140 pixel. I will be using Abril fat face. Okay, so the text style I'll be making use of is Abril fat face. Yeah, so this is our logo. I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, yeah, so this is Wendy logo. So I'll be bringing in the name underneath it. So let's reduce the size of this text. 40, I'll go with 40. So okay, so my text, Wendy loan. Wendy loans, yeah. Okay, so we'll be changing the color to white. Yeah. All right, so this is it, and then we're going to add something to the background, at least, you know, make it look more smarter and sharper. Okay, so I've arranged some assets for you guys, some design assets for this course, so just go ahead and download it. All right, just go ahead and download the assets. I just don't know where it is now. Trying to get look for where it is. Okay, so I'll just have to come here, go to my downloads. So I have to go and extract it first. All right, so this is it. Just go straight to your download. It will come in a zip file in some of your desktops. So all you have to do is right click on it and extract the files. All right, so this is our design file assets. All right, just go ahead and download the assets. Okay, so I'll be looking for this is the logo. Oh, what I need is not here. Just have to look for where. All right, so this is what I need. Just have to bring it in. Okay, so I want to bring this thing in this way. Oh, I made a mistake in importing this. I have to report it again. So where is it? This is it. Okay, guys, so this is it. How just want to place it here this way. Yeah, so this is it, and then we're going to reduce the opacity by let's go with 50 pixel. Yeah, I think 50 is too much. To reduce it to 25. Okay, so we are done with our launch screen. I'll just have to lock this so that it won't disturb us. All right, so guys, we are done with our launch screen. This is so perfect. All right, I'm going to duplicate this artboard for the welcome page. Okay, so just have to delete this, and this. Okay, I need to unlock this guy. First of all, let's change the name of this screen to welcome page. Okay, so for this image we need to unlock it. I'm trying to delete it, but I couldn't because it's locked, so I need to unlock it and then delete. All right, I'll be changing the color of the artboard to white. So we're using white. Okay, and then I'm going to get a rectangle this way. I'm going to draw a rectangle this way, just for some sort of beautification, and I'm gonna change the color to this. Alright, so Figma will automatically save any color you apply, any color you make use of. Figma will automatically save it up here in your document color, right? So I'm okay with this. Just have to increase this size a bit, and then I'm going to curve this to edge. Okay, let's say 20. I think 20 is much. Let's go with 15 pixel. Oh, 10, sorry, 10 pixel, and here 10 pixel. Alright, so this is it. Or let's just increase it. I think let's go with 15, guys. 15 pixel, 15. Yep. So this is okay, right? And then I'm gonna bring this, just copy and paste. Copy, Ctrl C, paste, Ctrl V. Okay, and guys, we forgot, you're supposed to align this. We've not aligned this properly. So first of all, we're going to check the space between these two. So okay, I think I need to send this to the back. Yeah, it's blocking. Okay, so the space in between these two, hold on. All right, the alignment, we have 66, 65 in this. Yeah, so just have to highlight the both of them and make sure they are in the center of our artboard. So just have to bring it down a bit. It doesn't be in the center, just align it properly. Okay, have to align it properly this way. Okay, all right, this is okay. Then as for this, we're going to align this in the center of this shape. That's our rectangle. So this has to come up, bring it up. Sorry, and here we are. All right, so the next thing we need is the welcome text. So I'm gonna duplicate this. And then I'm gonna type welcome back. So we just have to reduce the size of this text to 36, and this is it. All right, so the space between these two is 8 pixel. We're okay with this. Okay, so that is this, and also check the alignment, make sure it's properly aligned as well. So we have 81, 80. All right, this is okay. Then we need to get a button that says login and sign in. Okay, so this is our button. Just have to increase the size a bit, place it in the center. Okay guys, and then we're going to change the color. We're still going to give it a linear gradient color. Okay, so I just have to shift this to the side so you can see what we're doing. Linear gradient. This part will be for this. I'm going to select this color for here, and then for this place we'll be making use of this color. Okay, so we only want a touch of this yellow here, and then the rest with this color. I only want a touch of this here, so this is it. Just have to blend it very well, till you get what you want. Yeah, So I think this is okay. All right. We still need to blend this to avoid this line showing. Still need to blend this properly. Okay, you just have to keep doing this till you get a perfect shade. All right. Okay. Let me bring this one closer. All right, I think this is better. Okay, guys, this is okay. Let's go with this. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay, so just have to curve our button. Sorry, 50. Oh, that's much. Just need it to be simple. Okay, let's go with 15 pixel. Okay, I think this is better. But this is not still giving me what I want. This shade is not still giving me what I want. Done. Okay. Yes, so this will come up. Yeah, better. Perfect. Okay, so that's that. Then we have to bring in our text that says login. Log in. So we're going to change the text style. We're making use of Roboto. We're making use of Roboto regular. Then reduce the size to, let's just type it here since we don't have it. So we'll be reducing it to 30 pixel. Okay, and then you need to align this text in the center of this rectangle. Just have to align it in the center. Make sure that it's properly aligned. Okay. Okay, 199, 1770. So this is okay. So all we have to do is just duplicate this again. Duplicate.
Alright guys, thank you for staying to the
button.
end of this video.
Then the space between the
Please
boots,
don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave a comment.
20
Alright,
pixel.
thank you. Bye.
So we'll be changing this to sign up. Sign up. Okay, so have to align it in the center. Make sure everything is properly aligned. It helps your work look more neater and unique. So for this button, we're going to remove this fill and make use of just the stroke. Just want to make use of the stroke and remove the fill. So if you want to remove the fill, all you have to do is click on this eye icon or the minus icon. So just this, and then I'll be applying my stroke. And mind you, this test, we were using white for this test, so I'm going to change it to black. So this is fine. Then for my stroke, okay, we're giving it a linear gradient color as well. Making use of linear gradient. So for the first one, we're applying this first color here. Sorry about that. Okay, the stroke from here. So for this first one, making use of this color, and then the second one, this. So I'm going to align this to the side, then bring my here, this one here. Okay, so we're just going to increase the shade of this orange. Make use of this. Yeah, so this is it. This is perfect. And here we go. All right, this is perfect. All right, guys. This text, I'm still going to change the color of this text to my cyan. Okay, guys, this is better. All right, so we have our login and sign up page. Then let's highlight the both of them, align them properly. Okay, so let's check. Okay, this is cool. And then this is not white, we'll change it to white. Same thing as this, changing it to white. Let me see what color is here. Same here, white. This white. Yeah, cool. All right, so we need our status bar here and there. So we just have to go to our assets and import our status bar. Okay, so we're going to import this. Bringing this one down to here. Also this, I'm still going to import this too. So close this and then just have to align this here. Okay, cool. And as for this, we'll be bringing it here, replacing it here. Alright, then align it in the center, make sure it's in the center. Perfect. Alright guys, this is it. We were able to design our launch screen. Oh, forgot to rename this to launch screen. Launch screen page. Good. Okay guys, we still need to bring this down a bit. So let's see, make it 180. Alright guys, so we were able to design our launch screen and welcome page screen. In our next class, we'll be designing our sign up page. We'll be designing our login page. Alright guys, see you in our next class. Bye. Okay guys, welcome to another segment of this course. So in this video, we'll be designing our 3 pages, our login pages. All right, we have 3 pages for the login. All right, so we'll be designing the 3 pages for our login. So all we have to do is just duplicate this one. Let's duplicate this and then rename it to sign in page. Okay. Let's just make it sign in page 1. Okay, so we're going to reduce this to 100 pixel and this one reduce it to 30 pixel. So as for this, I'll be reducing the size of this screen, this shape. Then let's align this here very well. Bring this one up. Okay, so this is it. 20 pixel. We want to reduce it to 16. Let's make it 16 pixel. Yeah, this is better. And then don't forget to check the alignment, make sure. So you just have to highlight the both of them, make sure they are properly aligned in the center of your shape. Let's see, and this. So Yeah, so this is okay. Then we're going to delete this. We're deleting these two buttons. So we're going to bring in a text that says sign in. Sign in. I'll be reducing the size to 24 pixel. Okay. And then another text that says phone number. Phone number. Alright. So this will be reducing it to 16 pixel. And then I'm gonna place it here, make sure everything is properly aligned. So as for this one, I'll be reducing the opacity. Oh, I'm sorry. So we're going to reduce the opacity to 60%. Let's go 50%. Okay. I'm gonna make this okay, it's on regular better. And then we need a line where we can fill in our text. Okay. So we just have to draw a line. Okay, so just have to set it, make it straight, set it on 0°, and then align it in the center, make sure it's properly aligned the center. So everything has to start like this, 0°. So check the alignment. The space between here and this place is 30 pixel. So the space, so we just have to check the alignment, the space between this 30 pixel. So we have to maintain that same thing. The space should be the same. So 30 pixel from this line to this place. Shift this 30 pixel. All right. Oh, centers. Let's see. The space between here and here is 30 pixel. So the space between your text and the line also 30 pixel. Perfect. Okay. And also need to duplicate this text again for the password. So retain the same 30 pixel. Make sure everything is properly arranged. So we're going to change this text to password. Alright, and we just have to duplicate this line. And also, I see 30 pixel, don't forget. Okay, so this is perfect. And then also we're going to bring in a text here that says forgot password. So just have to duplicate this, come here, place it here, and then type forgot password. Okay, forgot password. So we're going to change the color to blue, and remember we reduced this to 100 to 50%, so we'll take it back to 100%. Okay, this is perfect. All right, and then the space is, let's make it 16 pixel. Yeah, so this is perfect. So we need a button that says sign in. We just have to duplicate this button from here, bring it here. So we're gonna remove the linear gradients. We'll be making use of the custom color, and then we need to reduce the size. Okay, to reduce the height and the width. So this is it, and then I'm going to increase this. I want to curve it to 20%. All right, so we just have to align it in the center. Okay, you just have to align this in the center, and then bring in a text that says sign in. So you just have to duplicate this, bring it here. So it's behind my shape. If you have any issue like this, all you have to do is right click and bring it to front. So this is it. So I'll be reducing this text to reducing it to 20, and make sure it's at the center. Make sure it's at the center of your button. Okay, so I'll be changing the color to white. All right, this is perfect. So this is it. Cool. So this is perfect. Let's set the alignment and make sure everything is properly aligned. Okay, it's 8 and 46, so I prefer using even number for my alignments. All right guys, we are done with the page 1. We're done with the page 1, so what we have to do is duplicate this. Okay, so this is the first screen telling you to sign in by putting your phone number and your password. Okay, so this screen will be for where we've imputed our phone number and the password. Okay, so all we have to do here is just type in our phone number here. So let's just duplicate this text. Okay, then bring it out, then just double tap and type in your phone number. So 091 6856760. Okay, and we're gonna increase the opacity back to 100%, and for the text we'll be reducing it to 14 pixels. All right, so the space between my text and my line is 4 pixels, and between my phone number and the numbers is 10 pixels. So this is okay. And then here you just have to duplicate this text, bring it here for our password. All right, so mind you, the space between my contact number and my line is 4 pixels, and the space between my contact number and this text that says phone number is 10 pixels. So we're gonna also maintain that same size here. So 10, we have 10 here, and we have 4 pixels here. So we just have to change this to dots. Just have to change it to an invisible password. All right, so okay, so this is it. And also we need to bring in an icon here, so that when we click on it, in case we want to view our password, we can be able, once we click on it, we'll be able to view our password. So you just have to go to your assets and import the image, the icon. Okay, so this is it. All right, just have to place it here and make sure it's also properly aligned. 4 pixels, let's see. Yeah, 4 pixels, perfect. Okay guys, we're done with the second page. So right, then we need to duplicate this for the third page, and the only thing we'll be changing there is just this eye icon. So we'll be changing it to a hidden eye icon, so that once we click on this, we can be able to see our password, right? Okay, so we just have to duplicate this, and then we're going to delete this eye icon and import the invisible one. Okay, this is not it. Icon assets. All right. Oh, made a mistake there. Okay, let's come here. Bring it in here. Close this and just drag this to this place. Okay, so make sure your alignment is the same. So you have 4 pixels here, perfect. And then we need to change this text to our visible password. So let's say 2434 and this. Sorry, how many icons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright guys, yeah, so this is it. We were able to design our sign-in pages. Okay, so in our next class we'll be designing a few of our sign-up pages. So see you in our next class. Bye.